I was just looking at your appointment. Yeah, you're a little late, but it's okay. I have plenty of time. Don't worry. So let me see here. Yes, you were looking for a birthday party look. Is it for your birthday? Your friends? Okay. No, no worries. I've done plenty of party looks before. Are you going like out, like a night out, a dinner, like formal? Do you want something soft, full glam? I can do any look that you want. Do you have anything in mind? Maybe a picture? Okay. Oh, perfect. No. No, 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 no. No, that's perfect. No, I love it. I think that'll be beautiful and like simple enough, but also like glam enough so you're not like overthrowing, the actual birthday person, right? Okay. No, that's perfect. Okay. If you just want to do me a quick favor, just go sit down. Just go sit over there in that chair. I'll be right with you. Yes, I am. I'm doing a bridal look very soon. I'm just sending some pictures to the groom. Yeah, yeah. He's been kind of weird. I don't know. Cause it's usually, the bride, the maid of honor contacting me. Yeah, it's been a bit of a different situation, I would say, but I don't know. He said he would pay me like extra for this. I don't know why. But I don't know. He seems nice, I guess, but yeah, it's just weird because he won't let me talk to the bride, or like really send me pictures of her for like her skin tone and stuff. So I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just going to do that really quickly and then I'll head over to you, okay? Okay. Okay, so let's see, get a couple of these foundations. Let's see, get a good blush. I think this one would be pretty. Yeah, you think so too? Okay, perfect. Okay, and then let's see, mascara. Can't forget mascara. And start with some of the basics and then we'll move on to the rest. Are, nothing. I'm sorry. Are you the same person that came in a few minutes ago? Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. You just look a little bit different. Or maybe I'm just sorry. I've been like really stressed out lately, so maybe it's just that. I'm sorry to put that on you. But anyway, let's do your foundation. Okay. Okay, just put that all over you. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be rude. I keep staring at you more, but I could have sworn you looked slightly different earlier. Sorry, not trying to be rude. Just maybe just going crazy. Anyway, let's see. Oh, okay, let's move on to your concealer. If you want to look up for me, yeah, just look up. Oh, nothing. Did you perchance have color contacts on? Okay. Nothing. Anyway, let's do your contour, just you nothing. It's just you just have really good cheekbones, and I don't know. I put the contour on you, and it looks like your face got like softer, like more round. I don't know. Just stress, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, okay. Well, let's just finish up. Let's do your blush now. Okay, just smile for me. Okay, and then we're just gonna just blend that and blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. Nothing. I just feel like you're messing with me. I feel like you're messing with me. And it's not funny. I'm sitting here, I'm doing your makeup very well, might I add. And your face keeps changing. Why is your face changing? What am I talking about? What are you talking about? What are you doing? Who did someone send you here? Did someone send you here? I bet it's my ex. Did he send you here? Are you like a clown? Or like a magician? Or something like a TikToker filming this like on a secret camera I can't see? Like, what are you doing? Why does your face keep changing? What are you talking about? I'm a makeup artist. I'm doing your makeup. I'm trying to do your makeup. And you're toying with me. And it's not funny. It's not funny. I was just about to do your mascara. And you're sitting here making jokes. Changing your face. Blink. Blink for me so you're blinking. Blink, 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 blink. You're blinking. You're watching me. Well, yes, I'm watching you right now. I'm watching you change faces. I'm watching you because you're right here in front of me. I'm doing your makeup right now. I can touch you. I'm doing your makeup. See your lip gloss. Wait, you can't go to a party without lip gloss.